Hello, everybody. It's time for another math lesson on area. So I want you to remember that area is the total number of square units that cover a figure. Now, the difference between what we've done before and what we're doing today is that we no longer have the grid pattern on the shapes that we're looking at. But I want you to remember that your answer always has to be in square units. It could be feet, inches, centimeters, inches, depends on the problem. Now, to figure out the area of a rectangle, you are going to multiply the length times the width. And that number will be the area in square units. So, for example, for this first problem, 7 times 4 equals 28. So, the area equals 28 square feet. Okay? So, it's pretty straightforward. It really helps if you know your multiplication facts. So another reason for you to learn your multiplication facts, you're really going to need them in 4th grade when you start doing big number multiplication and division. Okay, next rectangle. The width 3, length 9. So 3 times 9 equals 27. So the area equals 27 square inches. Okay. Another problem. Length 10, width 5. So 10 times 5 equals 50. So the area equals 50 square centimeters. Always square. Because what you want to imagine is that if you put the lines in here, that there would be 50 of those little squares that you saw on the work that we did before. Now, this last problem, before I have you do some work yourself. This last problem is a square. Frequently with squares, they will only give you one side. But since you know your rectangles, you know that this special rectangle called a square, that all the sides are 8. So you are simply going to multiply 2 sides. So that's 8 times 8, and that equals 64. So the area equals 64 square. Oh boy, I'm doing great on this one. 64 square inches. Yeah. Okay, so now it is time for you to do some work independently. So I have created 6 problems here. I would like you to copy each problem. I need to put this underneath so that I don't write on the wall and get in trouble. But here are the 6 problems that I want you to do. So you can go ahead and pause the video and copy these 6 shapes onto a piece of paper and then figure out the area of each one of these rectangles. So go ahead and pause. Okay, we're back. You've now done all the work on these, and I'm going to review them for you so that you can check your work. Now, I didn't think this one through very carefully. I didn't leave myself a lot of room to do the work. So I'm going to do some of the work inside of the rectangles. So, for this first one, length is 6, width is 3. So 6 times 3 equals 18 yards. So the area is 18 square yards. Okay? Now, this problem. Width, 8 feet. Length, 5 feet. So, 8 times 5 equals 40. So the area equals 40 square feet. Okay? Problem number 3. Length is 9, width is 2. So 9 times 2 equals 18. So the area equals 18 square inches. Okay. Problem number 4. 10 feet by 6 feet. So 10 times 6 equals 60. Okay, so the area equals 60 square kilometers. So that is one ginormous rectangle. I'm going to move this up a little bit so I don't have to bend as much. Okay, length 9 feet, width 7 feet. So 9 times 7 equals, what does 9 times 7 equal? 63. So the area is 63 square feet. Okay? And our last one, another square, which, as you know, is just a special kind of rectangle, but all 4 sides are 3 inches long. So I just have to multiply 2 sides. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So the area equals 9 square inches. All right, so there you go. That's area of a rectangle. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon.